In front of me is Oppo A80 and today I would like to show you how you can change this device's theme. Begin by opening Theme Store and tapping on a perfect theme for you from Themes section, or by tapping on the search bar and typing in wherever you want to. Then click on the best one, hit apply and wait. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, theme of my device has changed. To go back to your default one, hit settings, tap on wallpaper and style, select themes and click on default theme. Then choose apply and wait. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!